beautiful.
I'm moving.
No, Daddy.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, what's the time? It's like, oh,
It's
it's
the same
11.
time zone, right, baby?
Yeah, it's this. No, it's not.
So, guess what? It's November. And it's supposed to be winter. But in Florida, it's summer. Because you don't know, because Florida is bipolar. You don't know if it's winter or summer. It just keeps changing. So, last Friday, my mom came back from work and she said, guess what? We're going to the beach. We got so excited. We were like, oh, yay, we're going to the beach. But everyone was like, going to the beach, but it's winter. But guess what? We were getting our swimsuits ready, and my sister didn't have a swimsuit. So we had to go to Target to go get her a swimsuit. But we had trouble. It's winter, so where are the swimsuits? We could not find any. So we had such a hard time finding one. And when we did find one, we just got ready and woke up at 5 a.m. in the morning, got dressed, and left.
Welcome to Miami Beach. Judith. My family and I are here for the first time. It's really beautiful. Oh my God. I didn't know Miami is so beautiful. So meet my family. This is little Zaylee. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Good girl.
Baby.
And meet, come on, Efrain. It's your turn. And that's Efrain. Come on. That's a little Efrain. Say hi. Hi.
Efrain.
Hi, Ariane. It's your turn. Come on. Hi.
Ariane.
And they are my son. One of them. Oh, yeah. And there goes my two sons over there. This is my oldest son. He never gets out to go with us anywhere. Today he went with us
Aubrey.
because we went to Miami and we see where Messi plays. So that's why he came along. He's a soccer player. And who is this?
Rollins.
Rollins. Meet Rollins.
JR.
He's the man of the show. He's the one who is always on vacation and he takes good pictures and videos. So
Lawrence.
meet my husband, Lawrence. So welcome. We are in a world where everybody is famous now. And we are too. Bye.
So right now we're walking up to Miami Beach. The pathway is so beautiful. Look at the palm trees. They are so beautiful. The weather is so great. The sky is so blue. This is a great place to take your vacation at. If you were to have a vacation, you would go to Miami Beach. It is the best. It is amazing. The experience is just once in a lifetime. And once you're walking up, you can see the sand. It is white and it is clear. It is such a beautiful sand. You could play in it and you can make sand castles. But the best part about the beach is the water. The water is so clear and beautiful. Everything that makes Miami so beautiful is the buildings, the palm trees, the sky. Everything makes it so perfect. I would consider you going to Miami because this is just a great place to take a relax or go with your family, spend time with each other. This is just gonna be a great place for you to hang out. Like just sitting down, chilling down, or like playing in the water. It's just like a great place. So if you are with your family, I would consider this a great place for you to hang out. And one other things about Miami is that even if it's winter, the weather is still great. It is so good to be around, and there is no cold weather. It's just like you and your good thoughts. That is such a good thing about Miami. Oh, look at my little sister. She's so adorable. Look at the buildings. They are so huge. These buildings are so beautiful. Look at the sky. It is so blue. And look at the palm trees. Everything makes Miami so perfect. I would really consider you to come here because this is a great place to be. And we had such a great time at Miami. Are you swimming? It's good, baby. It's okay. Come on. You wanna build a sandcastle? You wanna build a sandcastle? Look, sandcastle. Make a sandcastle. I was so happy and excited. The waves were so fun. We built so many sandcastles. We even made ourselves mermaids. My mom was having such a good time. It was such a great time for her because she loves the water. She loves the ocean, and she had such a great time. My siblings and I had a great time too. We played around. We had so much fun. And I also did a cartwheel in the beach, and my dad got it. It's in our channel, and go check it out. So then my mom went for a swim. Me and my siblings were back there playing mermaids, and we had so much fun. My dad was taking care of the baby, and we were having so much fun. It was such a great time. And my sister was having so much fun too. She was so happy.
God. The water is so salty. It's making my eyes hot. And my goggle is right there, by the way, in the back. My swim goggles. Oh, what was that? Hello? It's me. Hello?
Ma'am, don't do that, you want.
The best part about Miami is they have a rinsing place where you could rinse yourself with clean water. So we're done with the beach. We had so much fun. The water was so cool. We saw a lot of seashells. I saw a jellyfish. It was really cool. We swam. We built sandcastles. We made our feet mermaids. And we had such a great time. So right now we are leaving to go to a buffet and go eat. So come with us.
No, it's the same ocean we were in.
So right now we are going to Dynasty Buffet in Fort Lauderdale, but we have to pass North Miami to go to Dynasty Buffet. So right now we're just enjoying the sights and the amazement.
The video. Hello, my
So right now we're at Dynasty Buffet. That's my sister because her food got delayed. But now look at her. She looks so satisfied and happy. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And tune in for our next adventure.